Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today, I am out here, as you can see, palm trees in the background, and turn around this way. That's the Pacific Ocean over there where all them campers are parked. I'm in California. I'm in Southern California. Specifically, I'm at Park Uniform Sierra. I said kilo already, at least once today. Uniform Sierra 7377. This is the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve. I think that's what it's called. It's actually really beautiful out here right now. It's perfect weather, sunny. It's like 73 degrees, and it's really great. This is going to be a Parks on the Air activation. I traveled out here recently, and I'm out here for a couple more days, but I wanted to make sure I get a park activated because I've never been to California to do Parks on the Air. And so this is going to be state number 20 as long as I can get this park activated. So I'm going to be using this antenna right here. This is the Buddistick Pro. This is one of my favorite travel antennas because it packs up so well. And we're going to be using the Icom 705 that I still have on loan from Ham Radio Dude. So I appreciate him loaning me this radio to go gallivanting around the country with. I really like traveling with this antenna right here because it packs up so well. The Icom 705 packs up really well. I do have a 4.5 amp hour Bioenno, so a real small battery that I traveled with, and all of this went through TSA no problem as my carry-on. You know, no issues, anything like that. So here I just have the antenna set up right outside the car, my nice rental minivan, and it's got the radial right here that I just have setting up over on the edge. So this does need a elevated radial, but the nice thing about this, I really like this antenna. It doesn't require you to set up things places. I don't need a tree. I don't need to spike things in the ground. I don't have to worry about any of that. It's just set up and go, which is kind of nice because some states, they really get touchy and they don't like you putting stuff in their trees, and they don't like you putting spikes in the ground. So without knowing, and I'm sure California is the same, I know it is because as I was setting up Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sugar, he lives around here. And he told me, don't stick anything in the ground, because he has come out here to activate this park, and he knows a couple people that have gotten, not in trouble, but yelled at for doing that. So make sure you are following the rules for wherever you end up. And that's why I take this, because I don't have to stake things in the ground. I don't have to do anything like that. I'm going to be on, I'm going to try 10 meters. But I'm not sure how it's going to work. 10 meters has been pretty rough for me. I've only got 10 watts. I'm going to try to stick to single sideband, but I do have my USB cable in case I need to hop to FT8. But I've been having problems with the laptop disconnecting from the radio, because I'm just using a cheap USB cable, which might be part of the problem. Anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. How many states have you activated? This is going to be number 20 for me. So if you are a Parks on the Air person, you take it with you traveling, how many states have you done? I would love to get a couple more states in this year, seeing as how it's still early. It is only April, so hopefully I can maybe make it to 25 this year. We'll see what happens. Anyways, I also have a buy me a coffee if you would like to support the channel that way. I'd much appreciate it. But for now, let's go ahead and get this park activated, hopefully, and make it state number 20. Well, I don't think 10 meters is going to work. I'm going to try a different band. I might just jump to 20 just so I can get these contacts, because it is already getting hot out here. And I'm sitting in the sun, and the computer's sitting in the sun, and the radio's sitting in the sun. That's probably not good for all those things, so let's go ahead and try out something else. All right, so at the top 20 meters, I am now resonant again. Let's try plugging this in. My resonant point for the antenna right now, I have it set up. Thankfully, this antenna is nice and quick to set up, the Buddistick Pro. Super happy with this antenna, great for my travels, all that good stuff. And the RigExpert Stick Pro, also very happy with. Puts me resonant right around 14, 310, 14,320, somewhere around there. The little SWR chart option just lets you, it'll plot your SWR graph on the 705. The 7300 has this, and I always really liked it. Works just fine. My SWR under 1.5 from 14,250 to the top of the band. So that's great. Now, find somewhere free. Thankfully, the bands don't look too busy out here today. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. CQ, 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 CQ. CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. CQ parks on the air. Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ parks on the air. Park Uniform Sierra 7377. This is Whiskey, Quebec, 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ parks on the air. Park Uniform Sierra 7377.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo 5555 California.
Houston, I got you about 55 in Washington, 55 Whiskey Alpha.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting today, and 73.
Yeah, no problem, man. Got you, 73.
QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot parks on the air.
Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sierra.
Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sierra 5555. Thanks for picking me up here.
Yeah, you're sounding good. 55. My email on QRZ is good. So if you need or if you have any more questions about the local area, go ahead and get a hold of me, Kevin.
Yeah, will do. I appreciate you stopping by today. It's pretty helpful. Slow going here, but we got 2 in the log, so we're making our way. Thanks again, and hopefully we'll catch you again soon.
Okay, Kevin. Yeah, I was going to hang around to do some more in KCQSYs, but I came up with something else I got to go do. So good luck with your activation and enjoy the rest of your stay here. 73 KC6 yes, clear.
No problem. Thanks again, and have a great weekend, 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot parks on the air. Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sugar. He stopped by the car here a little bit ago, right as I was setting up, and he said he lives about a mile away, so it's pretty helpful, some information from him. So thank you. CQ, CQ, CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air. Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Calling CQ parks on the air. Park Kilo, our Uniform Sierra 7377. November Tango 6 Delta X-Ray. You are 5x5, 5-5 here into California.
Roger, Roger. I'm a couple miles up the block from you. But the signal on ground is pretty good. So you're 4-4 in Cypress, California. Just down the road from that part.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for the contact today. I appreciate it. And only running QRP, so it's going slow. Thanks for the contact, and have a great Sunday. 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot parks on the air.
Whiskey 0 Hotel Tango Hotel.
Whiskey 0 Hotel Tango Hotel. You are 5-5, 5-5 into California. Whiskey 0 Hotel Tango Hotel. You are 5x5, 5-5 QSL. Roger, Roger, 4-4, copy 4-4. Thank you, 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot parks on the air. Kilo 7 Radio X-Ray Tango. You are 3x3, 3-3 into Park Uniform Sierra 7377. Roger, Roger, 5633. I got it. Thanks for hunting today, 73. Roger, 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 Roger. Stay safe, 73. QRZ Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot parks on the air.
Whiskey 7 Sierra Kilo Whiskey.
Whiskey 7 Sierra Kilo Whiskey 5757 in California.
Roger, I got you about 4 and 2 over in Southwest Washington.
Roger, Roger, copy, running 10 watts here in Southern California today. Thanks for picking me out, 73.
73, good luck on the activation.
Thank you, 4 more I'm working on. This is Whiskey, Quebec 9, Foxtrot for Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Kilo 7, Echo Lima Zulu.
Kilo 7, Echo Lima Zulu, you are 5555 California.
QSL, have you at a 55 also into Park 8665, Eastern Washington.
Roger, Roger, 8665, copy. Thanks for the park to park. Have fun, stay safe, 73. All right, so I got the park activated. It took a while. It's getting really hot out here. The radio, temperature gauge on the radio was going up. The camera has now overheated twice. I'm sweating. And, you know, that's great. It's great. Honestly, I'm not mad. I can see the Pacific Ocean from where I'm parked right now. It's pretty nice to be out here, be able to do this. This was state number 20 activated for me. So I want to thank everyone that was able to work me. 2 park to parks, 10 contacts in the log, thankfully, because it was a bit of a struggle. And I have to, you know, I've got other things I need to do while I'm out here. So I'm glad to be able to get a park activated. So thanks everyone. Till next time, 73.